Hey everybody! Recently, Vsauce had an expert panel discussion on faster payment strategy, and we brought in experts from all around the industry, actually from around the globe, to share their experiences, to share their expertise on what it takes to create a faster payment strategy. First thing we asked is, where do you start? Then we asked if they'd share some lessons from what they've learned from implementing faster payments. Well, then we asked, do you implement one or multiple faster payments, or maybe just wait for FedNow? And then we asked, well, what to look for when it comes to accounting, reporting, and connecting to the core. What did they have to say? Let's go to the panel discussion and hear what an expert from the technology side of the payments industry had to say.
When we talk about core and other technology integration, the answer is we have to get creative. I hope this has been an open webinar, so I don't know how many people from various core providers have dialed in. But the reality is most core providers today are not ready for real-time or faster payments, is what most people would say. I'm going to say that they are. We had an interesting discussion the other day around what is the most real-time payment that's currently available, and the answer is the ATM, the debit card. If you think about the ATM, reality is that's a real-time payment. I go ahead, I insert my debit card, and I, as a consumer, am getting cash straight from the machine. And we've managed to work around and find a way to integrate to the core and find a way to post that transaction and find a way to make sure I have largely risk-free cash in my hand at the time that transaction completes. We can do the same with any core, regardless of faster payment channel.
I love that comment. When we talk about core and technological integration, we got to get creative. We have managed to work around to connect to the core and integrate and post transactions in other channels, and we can do the same with any core, regardless of the faster payment channel. And there were more views shared from other experts, and if you'd like to hear and see what the other experts had to say, or maybe see the entire webinar on the faster payment strategy, then head over to paymentsprofessor.com. I'll put a link to the webinar in the description to help. For now, class dismissed.